Hey, rail fans, Cajon Pass. Got a train here. I'm in track number 3, westbound. Looks like it's getting ready to tie down. Whole bunch of traffic out here today, so probably gonna wait for a couple other trains to bypass. I know we have some coming from the west this way, so just want to show you this baby tying down. Before I get close to this crossing, then turn those bottom 2 lights off. Just got his bell ringing. Just tied down. Bell stops. Alright, got a nice tooth there. Thank you. A lot of these guys know me now. Alright, we'll see what else is going on out here. I'll be back with you shortly. Take care. Thanks, you guys. There's an auto rack coming this way. Is that one?
I think I got the lineup. At least one signal. They had a incident, I guess, down on the Diamond, down at UP.
Really?
Crossed our main line.
Right.
So it's plugging everything up right now.
They call that the Diamond. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Right just past the 10 freeway.
Yep. That's where everything goes too crazy.
Yeah. So we kind of everybody's picking their way up and down right now.
Yeah, I came up from the bottom and they're stacked up both ways.
Yeah.
We're busy out here yesterday too.
Yeah. No, I run all over. I go as far as San Diego, all the way to the harbor.
Fantastic.
And as far out as Needles.
Excellent.
So, but it's a living.
Yeah, it is. I talked to a lot of guys. I guess you should get in by 30, not by 60, huh?
You try. I hired on 31, so I can go out at 61.
Yeah, good.
But to get full, you gotta go longer.
Yeah.
You can go out at 30, but I don't think you get full until you get to retirement
Gotcha.
age.
That's probably the minimum, huh?
Your Social Security age. Whatever that is. I think for my generation, I'm after 1960, so I think it's 72 and...
No kidding.
No, 67 and 2 months.
Yeah, I got it when I was 62.
Yeah.
That's me.
He was 66 and 2 months, and he retired because he reported to the
Just on the right side of the...
Yeah, on the correct side. Yeah. Anyways, your name is?
My name is Keith.
Keith, it's good to meet you.
What's your name?
Andy.
Andy, it's a pleasure. I'm out
Good
here
to
all the
meet you.
time.
Hey, buddy, it was good meeting you, kid.
All you guys are awesome. And the it's called Railroad Fans of the Cajon Pass.
Okay.
It's a YouTube channel.
Okay, I'll attempt to check it out.
Please do, man. Great meeting you. Thanks so much for coming out. All right, railroad fans. Nice. Came out to meet buddy. Nice, man. All right, we got a whole bunch of power here on a stack train. I usually don't have my camera this way. We'll see how it works out. The Norfolk Southern's going back home. It's main track number 1, eastbound, outpost 62. We're at the old Cajon Depot site here. Nice to meet the engineer there. How cool is that? Beautiful horn up there. This is railroading. Yeah, so the guy get out of his cab, start walking this way. I wanted to get his permission before I filmed, so I waited till he got up to us. He said, sure. So I turned it on. Put my windsock back on here. Sorry, I took it off real quick when I was talking to that gentleman. Well, we'll see how this turns out with a camera vertical instead of horizontal. Should be okay. I think with a lot of the shorts on YouTube, they like them vertical anyway, so maybe I could make a couple shorts. Beautiful day out here. Gusty, windy, but that's the Cajon Pass. Weird holding the camera like this. Nice man. Here he goes. He's going inside. Oh, buddy's happy about that. Oh yeah, here he comes, bud. Shoulder belly roll, bud. Oh, this is way more exciting than the intermodal, so we'll go with this. ES44C4. I think his name was Andy. Our new friend says he runs this all the time out here, so hope to see some more of that fine gentleman. Got another ES44C4 here. They usually run in the 8100s. Downhill, he's gonna gently put the slack back in the train. These things get hissing and snorting and sneezing and wheezing when they get going. He said he's going to San Bernardino. I see automobiles in there. These can hold up to 15 automobiles, 3 rows of 5 stacked. Buddy's back is getting all scratched up. I gotta get him some kind of body armor. You guys get a great assortment of railroads representing these auto racks. We had a Canadian National, Ferromax, Union Pacific, Norfolk Southern. Main track number 3 comes back together with 1 and 2 right here. It splits away from here to the summit for about 3 or 4 miles. Kind of goes on its own. It was built at a later date. This track was built in 2008. There's an old cross original Burlington Northern Santa Fe right when they merged. Chicago Northwestern, that's a classic. Look at that logo. You might hear a slack pop, you might not. KCS. Just let me go now. I like these big ones that look like hotels. of our rail fans here. Well, we'll see how this turns out with a camera like this. It's really a good catch. Hope it comes out okay. Guess I can get Buddy in the train now. CSX. The East Coasters there. I guess these are American cars. He's got it fully open now. City Southerns. Soon to be a fallen flag. Alright, real fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. That was awesome. Alright, you guys. We will catch you in the next one. Take care. I love you. Bye-bye.